Hey, what's up there, guys? Rex 4x4 here. Well, I am currently on my way up to the dump. Anyway, I'm currently on my way up to the dump. I have a crap load of crap to get rid of in the back of my truck. Sorry I haven't really been putting out any videos lately. I've been pretty busy, well, just pretty much cleaning up, getting ready for the winter, I guess. So yeah, right now I got just a big load of crap. I got the rest of the craptastic trailer. Anyway, I got the rest of the craptastic trailer in the back of my truck here right now. So let's go get rid of this crap, and I get back home, start playing around with the lawnmower. I've been tinkering around with it a little bit there last night. I had Adam over there vlogging life. He came over to the house, and we had some coffee, hung out in the garage there for the night there, and I just tinkered around with the lawnmower. That's about it, I guess. So yeah, see you when I get to the dump. Holy crap, that hill's getting huge.
Oh yeah, it's about as high as he's getting.
I haven't been out here in a while.
Yeah. Basically, you're just going to fish that off to cap it, and
then move again somewhere else?
Go down. As you go by, you see where the pit is, where the rocks are?
Yeah.
That's where they're going to start off next.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Hey.
Alrighty, let's go dump off some shit. Cost me 20 bucks to get rid of shit. Ooh, explosion hazard. Landfill due to methane gas. Guess I'm going up the hill. Yeehaw! Let's go! Oh, too bad it's so friggin'. Holy fuck, eh? Oh, stinks up here. Quite the view from up here anyway. Okay, let's go get rid of some shit. Shit is gone. The last bit of crap from the craptastic trailer is no longer at my house. Well, looks like I have a little bit of off-roading to do here to get back. Friggin' right. That's really hard to see. Let me see if I can clean the spot here. It'll do, I guess. Woohoo! Let's go. Now, knowing my luck, every time I come out of one of these friggin' places, I got a flat tire. See how long till I lose air. Going back home. Let's see how much crap we can get done today. My daughter's got a whole crap load of friggin' pop cans that she's been recycling for friggin' ever. So I'm gonna get these things out of my yard now. So let's go. Wow, man, you know what? I'm impressed. I'm very, very impressed. Check this out. Look at this. This is just insane. I hadn't realized how much she had collected. Check it out, man. That's all friggin' all here, the box is full. And underneath, over here, all pop cans. Now, start over here. You got the beer cans. Tons and tons of beer cans. Crap load of bottles. Like, I mean, a crap load of bottles. Like, look at this. Look at this. Holy cow. I'll add one more can. It was good. Alrighty, man. Well, it's time to head back out and try to get rid of some of this shit. Alright, let's back this pig around. Alright, another one done. Oh, I go this way. More to go. Got 45 bucks out of that one. So let's continue along my way, and I will hit up the scrapyard and get rid of the rest of them cans. Well, here's North Bay Scrapyards. You got one here to your right. Got North Bay Salvage right there. But if you keep going, you got Pichets over here. Nice, eh? Competition's right across the road from each other. Jesus, buddy, you drive a truck. Are you worried about bumps? Come on. Kidding me? Go, Frenchie. Would you believe the kid had 65 pounds? I'm sorry, 55 pounds in cans? That's crazy. Man, there's freaking crap load of trucks here now. 55 pounds in freaking cans. That's nuts. Well, there we go. 56 pounds, sorry, of pop cans. Comes to $28. Right on. Better than nothing. Okay, well, I'm off to work again. I worked at the airport this morning. Now I'm off to the hospital. So, let's get back to you when I'm done work, I guess. I'll go home, start farting around with the lawnmower, I guess. Yeah, screw around with the lawnmower, why not? So, I'll see you when I'm done work. Have a good one, guys. And there's job number 2, and I smell a skunk. Oh, God. Oh. Horrible. Horrible. Okay, well, I'm here. Let's go put in another few hours here and head back home. Yeah, that's right. Holy crap, man. That was like the busiest 4 hours of my friggin' life. Wow. Go home and relax a bit. Go play around the garage on the lawnmower for a bit. See you there. You know what, guys? I am beat. Yeah. Too tired to go to the garage right now. I'll do it tomorrow after work.